welcome to my channel Savala Trends Plug. Here we are going to deal with the current world trends and the political stabilities in different countries, most importantly about the trends that are going and happening. So as for today, we are going to talk about the 2027 probabilities or the political outcomes that can happen in 2027. So in this channel, maybe about the statistics you get them from the TIFA or the Kenyan Bureau of Statistics, or rather Statistica. So first of all, the first thing we're going to discuss is the confidentiality of IEBC and the public mood and issues. Here we go. So on the confidentiality of IEBC, according to the statistics given by the TIFA, shows that only 18% of voters, or rather the adult citizens, believe that they believe in the IEBC, or they have the confidence. And 26% they are not well known. Maybe some are not that confident, some are confident. Yeah, they are not stable. That's the word, the right word to use. They are not stable. And now 48% of the registered voters are not confident at all with the IEBC. I don't know the reason, maybe about the recent past in the Kenyan politics. I don't know about that, maybe, but they have their own reasons as to why they are not confident in IEBC, because in the recent elections we have seen things like the most popular 2017 case during the Uhuru era and Raila era. So there are some things that are not adding up. Plus, to add, when we cross into our borders, when you go to Tanzania, where Her Excellency Mama Samia Hassan Suluhu won the elections with an approximation of 97% votes. You see, that has never happened anywhere. In any democratic country, that has never happened. And we have seen people on X and Telegram, and even some key African leaders, and like let's talk of Barack Obama and the AU chairmanship at the Secretariat, also talked about the elections in Tanzania. So they were not that valid, but you see, when the ICC gave a chance so that they may scrutinize what happened really in Tanzania, Her Excellency Mama Samia Suluhu Hassan prohibited them. They are not given a warrant. And you can still remember that there are no international media platforms that are allowed in the countries. The constitution does not allow for that at all. So the likes of CNN, BBC, they cannot do any documentaries in Tanzania. So back to Kenya. So after the confidentiality in IEBC, next we're going to discuss about the public moods and the issues. So here we're going to discuss about how the citizens are feeling the current government, on whether they are doing a good job, or they're at least trying to their level best so that they may be given another chance come 2027. But unfortunately, 61%, which is more than a half of the citizens by 11%, shows that they are not, the government is not taking them to the right direction at all. So with this, I mean they are taking the wrong direction. So you see, with 61% of the citizens believe that the government is not wrong, so that rises the probability that they are not confident with the current government, so they don't think they are going to be given a chance come 2027. Maybe another public modern issue, which is 82%, have an issue with the cost of living. Many people believe that the current government is doing nothing about the cost of living. Actually, maybe in the rise in taxes, how many people are being taxed, and those on SHA, citizen platforms. If anyone has dared use such government platforms, you understand what I'm meaning. So for those who pay SHA, the NSSF, and the rest of the things, no, they know the pain, because even some are being deducted the money on the housing levies, I don't know what, and yet they are not well explained. So with an 82% not maybe confident with the cost of living, that raises the number of maybe they are not confident with the government. So I don't think they are gonna give them another chance come 2027. But still, we have an 18% of people who are in support of the government. As in, maybe if you try to compare with the the recent governments like the Moi's government, we have Kibaki, we have Uhuru. They're saying His Excellency Honorable William Samoei Ruto is doing some good job, and they are hoping to give them a next chance. So thank you guys. If you are watching this for the first time, please subscribe on our channel so that the next time we be producing a video like this, you are going to get a notification and you are going to watch us. Thank you for the support.